Hello guys, in this session let us see how to reverse a string. So in Java we are having strings to store the multiple characters. So string is not a predefined data type, rather than it is a class defined in the Java. The remaining all the things, that is like for storing the numbers, decimal points, single characters, all those things we have already predefined data types. But string is not a data type, rather it is a inbuilt class. So let us see how to store the values in the string, and let us see how to reverse a string. So let me explain here. So let us take one string. So now I am going to take one string here. Let us see. So variable name I have given as s, and then some Java I have written, because we are seeing this in the terms of Java programming language. Just I have taken the sample example as Java. Now this is the input. What output I should be getting? Output must be a v a j. My output should be like this. So first of all, let us see how this variable, whatever the variable I have given, how this variable will be stored in the memory. Let us see. So for example, let us take here 4 characters it has, and then 4 characters will be stored by using the index numbers. So always index numbers will be starting from 0. So let us take here J, the next character is A, and then next character is V, and then next character is also A. So what is these characters presented in a string will be stored based on the index numbers. Index numbers always will be starting from 0. So 0 index number is J, 1 index number is A, and then 2 index number is V, and again index number for last A is 3. So by using these index numbers only we can retrieve these characters. So before going to reverse a string, let us see some inbuilt methods presented in a string. So first inbuilt method I am going to write somewhat here. First inbuilt method everyone must be knowing who and all using Java is length method. Length method in a string returns number of characters in string. Why it is required is I need to iterate this particular string in the reverse order. In the reverse order I need to sort. That is what I am explaining here, length method. And then one more, let us see. We are having one method called caret. This method returns character at given index number. For example, I am going to write here caret of 1. What is the character at 1 index? That is A. It will returns A. If at all I am going to give here some caret of 3, then this is also A I will be getting. So these are the two methods we are going to use to reverse this string. So now for iterating, I need to get all the characters presented in a string. So I need to iterate all the characters. For that I will be going to use the for loop. So let us write the program. Let us see the output also, so that you will be getting a clear idea. In that I am going to use the Eclipse, and then let me create some class. I have created already the project. Let me create the class here. So one shortcut is there, that is Control plus N for creating. I am using the same, and then let me give the class name. Checking for the main method and then clicking on the finish button. So now let us take the same string here. String s equals to Java I have taken. So multiple characters are there, must be in the double quotes only. So later for this We want to get all the characters in the string in the reverse order. So let us write the for loop. For loop for iteration all the characters. But let us iterate the characters in the reverse order. Means from A, V, A, J. Means from the index number 3 to 1, 0. In this order we need to iterate that. So let us initialize the variable from the last character. How to get the last character? S dot length. This is the variable name we have given for the string. Length method gives the number of characters. So here 4 number of characters are there. But what is the index number of last character? That is the 3, because index number will be starting from 0. So minus 1 we need to take, so that it will be referring to the last character. It will be referring to the last character, because by using the caret method we can get the character by using the index number only. What is the index number of this last character? That is the 3. How can we get the 3? If at all we are taking the length of this string, giving minus 1, that always refers the last character. And then we need to write the initialization is done. Let us write the condition. I greater than or equals to 0. Until unless it is going to 0, just iterate. And then let us decrement this, because we have given the last character to the first character. I have given the decrement. So now let us directly print that. Sysout is a shortcut for that. So now what I am going to write is, I am going to use the caret method at the index of I. So just to save this one and then execute here. You will be getting AVAJ as I have written println. If at all you are removing ln here, you will be getting the exact reverse in the string.